Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we want to find the value of x given that we have 3 raised to power x equals 3x plus 18. Now from here, to get the value of x, we're going to apply Wolf alpha function that says when you have w of a exponential a equals a. So now from here, we have it to be solution. We have it to be 3 raised to power x to be equals 3x plus 18, and 3 raised to power x will be equals 3 into bracket of x here plus 18 divided by 3, we have it to be 6. Now from here, let's divide both sides by 3. This will take this, then we're going to have 3 raised to power x divided by 3 to be equals x plus 6. Now 3 raised to power 1 is the same thing as 3. So now from here, by applying the law of indices that says when you have a raised to power m divided by a raised to power n equals a raised to power m minus n. Now by applying this law here, we are going to have it to be 3 raised to power x minus 1 equals x plus 6. Now the next thing we are going to do is, when we divide both sides by 3 raised to power x minus 1, divide both sides by 3 raised to power x minus 1, this will take away this. Then here we are going to have it to be 1 equals x plus 6 divided by 3 raised to power x minus 1. Then note that in law of indices, when you have anything that is 1 divided by a raised to power m, if you want to take this one back to negative index, will be a raised to power minus m. Now by applying it to this one, we want to take this one back to the what? Negative index. We are going to have it to be 1 equals x plus 6. Then we are going to have this one to be 3 raised to power minus into bracket of x minus 1. Now from here, we are going to have our 1 to be equals x plus 6, then 3 raised to power. Using this one to open the bracket, we are going to have it to be minus x, then plus 1. So now from here, let's rearrange. Let's take this one to this side and take this one to the other side. Then we are going to have x plus 6, then 3 raised to power minus x plus 1 equals 1. Now the next thing we want to do from here is that if we actually want to apply the Wolf alpha function, we must make sure that they have the same base. The base is the same with the power. Now here we have it to be minus x plus 1 minus x, we have it to be plus x here. To make this one to be minus x as well, we have to multiply it through by what? Negative. So by multiply through by minus 1, we are going to have it to be this x plus 6, then 3 raised to power minus x plus 1 equals minus 1 multiplied by 1. So from here, we are going to have this as well to be minus x minus 6, then 3 raised to power minus x plus 1 equals minus 1. Now also likewise, we have this one to be minus x, this one is minus x, fine. But we have this one to be minus 6, this one to be plus 1. So the moment when we multiply through by, because we have to make this one to also to be equals minus 6, if you multiply through by 3 raised to power minus 7, let's multiply through by this in case, in order to make this one to be having minus 6 here. Now we have it to be minus x minus 6, 3 raised to power minus x plus 1 multiplied by 3 raised to power minus 7 equals minus 1 dot 3 raised to power minus 7. We multiply 3 raised to power minus 7 through both sides. Now from here, we're going to have this to be equals minus x minus 6, 3 raised to power minus x plus 1. Since they have the same base, then we can add their power. And this one will now be minus 7 to be equals minus 3 raised to power minus 7. Minus times this will be minus. Now from here, we have this to be equals minus x minus 6. Then we have it to be 3 raised to power minus x plus 1 minus 7 will be equals minus 6 equals minus 3 raised to power minus 7. And likewise as well, to apply Wolf alpha function, we have v to be a exponential a to be equals a. We have the same base. We have it to be in the same base, x minus 6, x minus 6. The base is empty as the power. Now, the next thing is we need to introduce exponential. There's no exponential here, but note that when you have exponential ln x equals x. So now the next thing is we want to make sure that here we have it to be in form of exponential. And note that when we have exponential ln x equals x, now that means we have 3 here. When we say exponential ln 3, we always equals 3. Now, let's substitute this 3 that equals this here, which implies that we are going to have it to be minus x minus 6 exponential, or we have it to be 3 raised to power minus x minus 6 that equals 3 raised to power minus 7. Now, by substituting this 3 here, we're going to have it to be minus x minus 6 exponential ln 3. We have this one here before. It will now be minus x minus 6 equals minus 3 raised to power minus 7. So the next thing is that we have here again, the power is different from the base. We have ln 3 into bracket of x minus 6. So here we have it to be minus x minus 6. Here also must be half ln. So let's multiply through by ln 3. So in that case, we are going to have this one to be ln 3 into bracket of minus x minus 6. Then exponential ln 3 into bracket of minus x minus 6 equals ln 3 dot minus 3 raised to power minus 7. So in this case, we can rearrange this to have it to be minus x minus 6 ln 3, then exponential ln 3 into bracket of minus x minus 6 to be equals minus 3 raised to power minus 7 ln 3. So let us also rearrange this one very well. We have it to be minus x minus 6 ln 3, then exponential minus x minus 6 ln 3 equals minus 3 raised to power minus 7 ln 3. Now, let's multiply through by the Wolf alpha function w. When you have this, then into bracket of minus x minus 6 ln 3, then exponential minus x minus 6 ln 3 to be equals w of this minus 3 raised to power minus 7 ln 3. Now, taking a look at this, they have the same base, minus x minus 6 ln 3, minus x minus 6 ln 3. Now, when we apply the expression of Wolf alpha function, because hey, they have the same base, the same power, the same base, the same power. So the left hand side equals, taking the base will now be minus x minus 6 ln 3 will now be equals the right hand side w of minus 3 raised to power minus 7 ln 3. If out, we have it to be minus x minus 6 ln 3 to be equals minus 1. Then we have 3 raised to power minus 7 ln 3. But note that this 3 raised to power minus 7 equivalent to 3 raised to power 1 dot 3 raised to power minus 8. Now, from here we are going to have it to be minus x minus 6 ln 3 to be equals, here we have it to be minus 1, will now be minus 3 raised to power 1 ln 3. Again, we have this one to be dot 3 raised to power minus 8. Now from here, note that we can have our answer to be minus x minus 6 ln 3 to be equals minus 3 ln 3. Now for this, we know that when you have exponential ln x equals x, so therefore when you have exponential ln 3 will equals 3, substitute here, we are going to have minus x minus 6 ln 3 equals, this one will now be, we can substitute this one here, we're going to have it to be ln 3 then multiply by minus 8, and this one will now be minus 3 ln 3 exponential, we have our minus 8 then ln 3. Now from here we can, now from here we have this one to be minus 3 ln 3, we have this one to be minus 8 ln 3, so they are not the same. To make the same, let's multiply 2 by minus 3. So from here we are going to have it to be So we have it to be 3 into bracket of minus x minus 6 ln 3 will be equals, when you multiply this one by 3, we have it to be minus 9 ln 3 exponential minus 8 ln 3. Now from here, minus 9 ln 3 minus 8 ln 3. Now let us multiply through by exponential minus ln 3. When we multiply this through, then we are going to have this to be equals 3. Then we have it to dot minus exponential ln 3. Then we have minus x minus 6 ln 3. This one will now be equals minus 9 ln 3 minus 8 ln 3 dot minus 1 ln 3. And so therefore from here, we believe that this will be equals 3 multiplied by this one will also be equals, so this one will now be equals 1 divided by 3 minus x minus 6 ln 3 to be equals, this one will now be minus 9 ln 3. And likewise from here, we are going to have it to be exponential minus 9 ln 3. So now this, we cancel this out. We have minus x minus 6 ln 3 to be equals. Now taking a look at this very well, they have the same base, the same power. So we can have this one to be minus 9 ln 3. And so therefore from here, this we cancel this out. We can have minus x minus 6 to be equals minus 9. Now by collecting the like term, we have our minus x to be equals minus 9 plus 6 minus x will be equals minus 3. When we multiply through by what? Minus, we are going to have our x to be equals 3. And to check, we are given the problem of the form 3 raised to the power x equals 3x plus 18. And when x equals 3, we have it to be 3 raised to the power 3 is going to be equals 3 times 3 plus 18. So we have this one to be equals 27. Is it going to be equals 3 times 3, 9 plus 18. So we have it to be 27 equals 27. So x equals 3 is true.